I didn't have any strategy. I went house to house, and I think I touched the hearts of and minds of every person. Most important was the warmth. इतले खुशालकायेन म्हाका वेलकम केला हांवें सांगलोलें तें पयलें तें आयज पळयत रिजल्ट आनी नेक टू नेक स्टार्ट जाल्ले आनी हल्दोना पावले तेन्ना सामकें लीड स्टार्ट जालें. सो आय नो दीस लीड खूंय मेळपाचें तें लीड डावन जालें तेन्ना एक पाटी द इंडिकेशन रिडींग ऑन द वॉल. सो दॅट वॉज वेरी क्लियर दॅट वी वर गोइंग टू हिट द नेल. सेकंड थिंग, आय एम हॅपी. दोन जायंट आशिल्ले, बिग जायंट्स, sitting, two-time sitting MLA of the ruling government, one ex-MLA. They had everything in their hand. They had power, they had money, they had muscle. Anything else you can think of they had. I had the hearts of the people. And I attribute this victory just to the people, not only of Aldona constituency, but all across Goa who have prayed for me, who have wished well for me. And I thank each and everyone who stood by me, who worked with me silently or otherwise or openly. तुम खबर आसतले फेसबुक तुमचे पळय एक पाटी पोस्ट घायलो तेन्ना 3-4 वर्स फाटी त्या लोकांचे फाटल्यान गेले ते फुकट फोटो घायले देखून हांवें पोस्ट घालपाक बंद केला. कोण आयलो जाल्यार म्हाका एक पासून कमेंट थम्स अप म्हूण दाखयले जातले ते फाटल्यान वयताले की नोटीस काडटाले. असले विंडिक्टिवनेस चालू आशिल्लो. येट पीपल केम आउट. They didn't want this kind of persons. They didn't want gundagiri. And I assure you one thing, I will not tolerate any gundagism in our constituency. I know that some incident took place 2 days back, but I will make sure that we will clean up our constituency of such kind of elements. And I will make sure that what I have promised,
attention for candidate of Kalangur
deliver.
The election agent.
Trust me.
I am declaring the result of the
I'm very happy.
Counting.
I am very happy that people have
declaration
spoken.
of the result of election.
Goa
under
has
section
also
66
spoken.
of the Representation of People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Goa from 08 Kalangur Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in section 66 of the Representation of People Act 1951, read with rule 64 of the conduct of election of 1961.
I'm also grateful.
I declare that
See, why should I not say?
Michael Vincent Lobo,
I'm grateful
President
to
of House number 181
Kiran Kandol Fagankar for having taken away BJP votes.
sponsored by
I'm being
Indian
honest
National
with you.
Congress,
That was also
has
our
been duly
calculation.
elected to fill
His
the seat in
presence
that house
was
from
going
the
to take
above
away the BJP
constituency.
votes. And our votes remains intact. Please look at very carefully. MAPSA gave us very neck to neck. Bastora, where there were leads always for BJP, gave us neck to neck. So you see, everywhere it was people. That means our vote share increased there. Our tally went up. So I'm grateful to everybody. And whatever happened, it has been a very good result. I'm very grateful.
Because the TMC help केलं because of TMC vote division.
Naturally, कोणाचे vote गेले. You see, wherever there were strongholds, you see the tally in the booth wise. Therefore, I think I could walk through.
Sir, तुमची privacy कसे कसले first काम करतो तुम्ही?
Priority, I have now to list out what will be the first most priority. But let me assure you one thing: the Aldona market is first in my mind.
सर एक आत्ता एक म्हणजे आमकां हांगासर रिजल्ट पळोवपाक मेळ्ळा की फोंडेंचे जो सीट आसा रवी नायक जे एका वोटान हारलेले तांच्यांनी रिकावंटिंग करून आतां असो रिजल्ट आयला की 13 वोट्सांनी ते जिखून आयला अशें म्हणून. जर एका मताच्या फरकान पडलेलो कॅन्डिडेट जर 13 वोट्सांनी जर जिखून येता जाल्यार असो फरक असो म्हणजे काँग्रेसी कडेन कावंटिंगाच्या बाबतींत अशें जाल्लें आसूंक शकता आनी ताजेर तुमी रिकावंटिंग बी अशें कितें मागपाचें तुमचे लिडराचे
कोण जिखता तो एक मतान पासून जिखता. तूं जाणा टुर्नामेंटा मॅचे गेले एक बॉल आहा जाल्यार तेजेर जिखता, एक गोलाचेर जिखता. ते फाटे फुडें
ना म्हणजे आता जे वोटान डिफीट जाल्ले ते 13 वोट्सांनी ते आता निवडून आयल्या म्हणटा.
ना आनीक एक सांगता तुमकां. सो टोटल वोट्स इज एंटी बीजेपी. इफ यू लुक वेरी केअरफुली इट्स एंटी बीजेपी, बट बाय डिवायडिंग वोट्स ते जिखले. नाउ बाय winning margin being very small, let me be honest, sometimes I also third party chinta. Should a person be allowed to win by a very low margin? Is he a real representative of the constituency? But that is something Parliament must think about. Because I feel a person should get a minimum threshold votes. You understand me? Then you are a representative. Then you get 100, 200 more. But minimum aspas hai. If you don't have minimum, just because sometimes you won by 1 or 2 votes, you don't become representative. Negative is against you.
म्हणजे नेक टू नेक जे आसा न्ही
मेजॉरिटी दिसता आनी काँग्रेस मायनॉरिटीन दिसता ह्या फावटी. सो तुका दिसता की तुमची कामां करपाक
सोय आतां कोण जिखलात ते थोडे म्हजे फ्रेंड अजून आसात. I have very good relationship with people who have contested, who have won, who have lost. So you see, the art of a person must be to manage to get the work done, whatever, whether you're ruling or in opposition. And the question is whether we will always remain in opposition will be the question mark.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. You have won, I told, no? Winner, clear winner. My dear friend, family friend.
Hey, Mike was a
And he told me from beginning, you are winning.
You will create a controversy. See you. All the best.
Thank you.
Sir, being a former AG, are you in a good position for becoming the next opposition leader?
I have not thought of any role for myself. I have been working without any position, without power, not even having contested elections. And I don't think of... see, leader of opposition must be a senior person, let me be honest with you. Should be someone who has tact. If the Congress party gives me any responsibility, I will take it. But I have no ambition. I am today where I am. And I will not change. Remember one thing, when you come to meet me, I will still be the same Carlos which you know. Okay. Yes.
Last time BJP won 13 seats. And this time you won 12 seats. What do you want to say?
That's what I said. What happens today? What happens
to
today? What I told you, what happens today to tomorrow, we don't know.
Congress can form a government.